Hey y'all, I got sent over a chair to do a box opener, but this is not just a chair. This is a sofa chair. Actually, they're calling it a sofa bed, but it's a chair that lays out and makes a bed. Let's get it opened up and check it out. All right, got that much of it done. Not real sure what to take out first. It looks like there is, let's see, a box. Okay, that's light. I can get that out real easy. I think this is going to be some hardware and things such as that. Okay, this is going to be our feet risers, whatever you want to call them. All of our hardware to put it together. Some assembly required. See how heavy this is. Not too bad. And I think this, wait, what is this? We got some more parts here. This part may be the heavy part. This looks like the sleeper part. Not too bad. That wasn't terribly bad. Would have been easier to lay the box down and drag it out. We got our instructions here. Convertible chair bed. All right. Let's get busy. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. I like that color. This is the gray. It is available in other colors as well, but I thought this one would look the best for me personally. Y'all want to stick around for the assembly? If you don't, skip ahead. If you do, let's get her done. Okay, E. We need an E. Do we have an E? I believe this is E. Oh, they're lettered. That's a G. And that's F. And this is E. Oh, that's nice, y'all. Look at that. Pretty wood grain. Ooh, I like that. That looks pretty good with this floor. Do we just have one arm? Unless them pieces are our other arm and we just have one wide arm with a cup holder. I'm kind of thinking maybe those spread apart and that makes the other arm. Not real sure, but we will proceed. Okay, it looks like we're going to put some Allen screws up here, down there on the inside bottom. Okay, I just discovered something. I got two boxes in. This is going to be one box, and then I've got another big box right over here that is going to be more parts. I thought there's something right here. Looks like they sent, this is damaged. When you get yours in, if you order one, check that right there. May have got damaged in shipping. I don't know, but they need to pack it better. I'm a little disappointed about that. Okay, I'm going to have to cut into this other box. These are not the same thing. Okay, apparently during shipping, they separated the two boxes that we need because that other box doesn't go to this one. We need another box of the rest of this chair. So I'm going to stop the video right here and we will continue on with it once I get the rest of it in. Okay, we got our other box in today, so we can continue to put together our chair here. Let's get busy. Oh, cool. That's a USB port, USB-A and a USB-C port. That's cool. I didn't realize that. Now we can get back to our instructions here. All right, we might as well have a seat here on our little rollout here. All right, step one, we got our legs, or our sides here. I'm going to, I've got the Allen screws already out that we need. Okay, we need a L. There's L. I think they go this way. I'm not real sure. The pictures are not real good, so these will go right there. This will go right over there. May have to take them back out. I don't know. Pictures are not real clear on this. Now O, there's 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. There's 3 holes on that piece. It's showing O to go in these 3 holes. So we got O. A long bolt looking thing. Now it doesn't show, but you're going to put the short threaded end in here. Leave the long threaded end poking out like that. Okay, now we're going to lay this piece over here on here, and then we'll put the nuts and washers and stuff on there. Then we will just set this on there, lined up. Like so. But they're too short. So we're going to have to unscrew them somewhat. When you put those on there, just put them on there enough to get them secure in here. Well, that's still too short. Okay, I have an idea. Let's take them out. We'll run them from the top down, and then we'll see how many times we have to turn it. But that right there won't work. Well, let's take them out. I don't know why they just didn't use a regular bolt with a head built on it. Why they had to do it like this, I don't quite get that, but a little harder to get it lined up. That is not going to work. There's not enough to get a hold of. Well, it's been several days now, but finally got in the right bolts. The company was good enough to make it possible for me to get these new bolts for this chair. Because the ones that came in the box, as you saw, were just too short. But we're going to get back to it now. Let's get this thing done. As I mentioned, you got to put these in these 3 holes. There's 3 here, and there'll be 3 on this one. We'll get these started. I hadn't tried them yet. Hopefully they're the right size. Guess I should have got the nuts out and ready. Not going to need them. See the difference in there? I don't know if you'll be able to see it from there, but about a ½ an inch longer. Those are way too short. Anyhow, we are ready to get this done. There we go. And as you see, hopefully you can see, if I can get that turned right. We got our bolt sticking up. Now we will be able to get these on there. There we go. I believe it came with a little wrench. It's been a while since I messed with this. Thought it came with one. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I just saw it. There we go. All right, got those tight. Ready to get these on there. Well, I'm going to try to put these on there and then flip this up and come down. We'll see. I may have to flip this whole thing over, but we're going to find out. Give it a go. That was easier than I thought. Make sure it doesn't fall over on you, though. All right, that step is done. That was step 3. We got step 4. And so long since I fooled with this, I really don't remember what those pieces back there were. But we need G, whatever G is. That's G. Are they both G's? Nope, that one's F, this one's G. Okay, we're gonna put this on the bottom down here somewhere. I think we're gonna go like that. Gonna go like that right there, it looks like. All right, that was it on step 5. We're gonna move on to step 6. We're gonna put our little plastic washers and our feet on the bottom here. These little things. And these. Okay, had 2 more L brackets, and they go under this end where the pull tab is. They go right here. And this other cushion is going to go right here. Okay, the 2 holes on each end here is going to go up just like this right here. That way it will be closer to the floor. I think it would be better probably not to tighten those L brackets up all the way until you get all these holes lined up. I have a feeling I'm fixing to have to loosen those back off. There we go. Yeah, I just wouldn't tighten those L brackets up here completely. I would leave them just a little bit loose so we can move them around a little bit. Might make it a little easier. Whew, that takes care of that. I believe that was step 8. No. Step 8, it looks like we're going to slide this up under there. Guess that's the final step. It's got little wheels right here, and apparently these line up with our little brackets that we put in up there on the front of that chair, in the front and bottom. Maybe it'll make more sense when we get it over there. Pretty nice looking, huh? Oh, I get it, I get it. So those wheels, well, if you can see close enough, the wheels are going to go in behind here, and that's kind of a stopper. I get it. That makes sense. There we go. There, like that. You pull that out, boom, it'll stop. That is nice. Let's see how comfortable it is. Oh, hey, that ain't too bad. It's a little stiff, but it's brand new. So that's a good thing. Got our cup holders. And I know it had USB ports. Where was those? Oh, they're back here. USB-A and a USB-C port. See, I had to make it a bed. They're supposed to make a bed. Let me move this out of the way. Go forward. So when you brace that, you can't go back down. You got to go all the way forward, and then it'll lay down. Now you're supposed to be able to pull this out. Oh, okay. Oh, gotcha. Oh, that's cool, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that fancy? All right, well, let's put it to the test. Let's see how comfortable it is. Oh, y'all, this is pretty nice. It is like a firm mattress, but it beats the heck out of a blanket on a hardwood floor. By a long shot. Ain't bad. Plus you have your USB port right here and your cup holder right there. That's nice. This little pillow it comes with is just the perfect height, actually. For me, anyway. If you'd like to order one of these yourself, I'm going to put an Amazon link down there in the description where you can click on it and go to the product page and order one for yourself. And if you have a need for something like this, you might really consider this one. It's pretty nice, no joke. If you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate that. And I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That'd be fantastic. It is definitely nice. I like the color. I just wish this wasn't boogered up a little bit right there, but that's okay. That's just mine. Yours won't be like that probably. And if it is, you might could get another one. I don't know. Like I said, this backrest back here, you can leave it at an angle. You can have it as, you could actually probably bring that bed up a little bit. I'm not going to kick it back out, but you know, you could lay back like that. It's a little short back here to do that, but you know, it's nice, y'all. I really do like it. And I'm going to make a spot right over there. Actually, I might put my recliner right over there and put this one right there. Look good with the curtains, I believe. Y'all think that matches? Anyway, definitely a thumbs up, y'all. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching, y'all.